In this video, I'll detail how to disable Apple Watch Series 9 handoff. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9 and you already enabled handoff, which allows you to pick up activities from one device on the other device, then you want to turn this off. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn off or disable handoff on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the background once to exit the lock screen and take you to the app screen. On the app screen, click on settings, then scroll down and click on general. Once you selected general, scroll down and tap handoff. Then on this page you should see the handoff turned on. Now to disable the handoff, just toggle this off, and once this is disabled, you no longer be able to pick up any activities on your Apple Watch Series 9 from any other devices. So this is going to make the activities stay on Apple Watch or any other devices with the same Apple ID account. So that's all you need to do to disable or turn off Apple Watch handoff on Apple Watch Series 9. Found this video helpful and informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.